Here are the ingredients for one serving. Salt, sliced trevally, 60 grams. Sprinkle salt on the pan and place the trevally on top. Sprinkle salt on top again, few minutes. Rest for 30 minutes. Dry wakame seaweed, 3 grams. Bring the dry seaweed back in water. Chrysanthemum, 1/3 of the bundle. Lightly boil the chrysanthemum, then drain. Raw shiitake. Cut in 5 centimeters length, remove the stem off of the shiitake. Japanese leek, 1/3. Cut the leek in 5 centimeters length and insert a slit on the surface. Cut the tofu in 40 grams pieces. Tofu, 1/4 of a package. Boil water in a pot and cook shiitake and leek for 30 seconds to remove the smell. Lightly swim the trevally in the same pot until the color becomes whitish. Put the trevally in cold water and remove the slime off the surface. (400 milliliters of water), 25 milliliters of sake, 25 milliliters of light soy sauce, 5 centimeters of kombu, In the pot, add the soup ingredients, trevally, shiitake, and leek. Heat until it starts boiling and then lower to low heat to simmer. Once the trevally is completely cooked, serve. Again, here are the ingredients for one serving. Simmered Trevally.